In this video I am going to tell you how to enable or disable touchpad in laptop for Windows 10 and Windows 11. For this you need to press Windows and I from your keyboard, and this settings page will open up, or you can search settings as well in Windows search, and after that you need to click on devices option. Now from the left hand panel you need to click on touchpad. Now you need to click on advanced settings. So from here in mouse properties Windows, this new pop-up will come up. So here you need to click on touchpad, and from here you can enable or disable it. If you uncheck it and click on apply and OK, it will get disabled, and if you want to enable it, just press on this and click on apply and OK. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.